In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs tool, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Then hit Printing. Tap on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wish to use, and make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you still can't connect though, don't worry, you can also tap on this icon at the top right corner and hit Add Printer to try something else. By tapping on this plus at the top right corner, you can add your host name or IP address here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!